Hello everyone, welcome to Team Leverage channel, and in this video I will show you how to fix Valorant error code 40. So before starting video, if you are new to this channel, then hit subscribe button and let's start our video without wasting any time. So first of all, go to start menu and follow every step as I am showing you in this video. So after completing all these, now restart your PC and then run Valorant. So hope so this will fix your error, and if you like this video then hit like button. Also don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.